Ever wondered how plain cotton transforms into vibrant masterpieces? Let's dive into the world of high-quality textile printing. Table. We start with the traditional long table method. Here, precision is key. Each screen is perfectly aligned to ensure the design sits flawlessly on the fabric. Notice the consistency of the ink. That's where the quality begins. Now let's scale things up with the automatic flatbed printing line. This machinery is designed for speed without compromising on the intricate details. Whether it's a single color or a complex pattern, the synchronization here is pure engineering excellence. But the magic doesn't stop at printing. To make these colors permanent and the fabric soft, it must pass through specialized curing and drying ranges. These industrial dryers lock the pigment into the cotton fibers, making them wash fast and durable. From manual craftsmanship to high-tech machinery, this is how premium cotton fabric comes to life. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look, don't forget to like and subscribe for more textile secrets. The most critical part here is the automatic edge guiding system. As the cotton passes through, the machine's sensors track the fabric's borders. The pins or clips grip the edges, pulling them perfectly straight throughout the entire length. No more waves, no more uneven widths. After the flatbed printing is complete, the fabric enters the most crucial stage for color durability, the ager machine. This is where the real transformation happens. For precision and reactive dyes, steam is the catalyst. Inside this high-pressure chamber, the fabric is exposed to saturated steam at precise temperatures. This process forces the dye molecules to chemically bond with the cotton fibers. Bringing you the perfect blend of tradition and technology right from the heart of our factory. If you appreciate the art of quality textiles, hit that subscribe button and join our journey. See you in the next one.